Do you want to know how to create a Gmail account in just 1 minute? Let me show you how. First, open your browser. Click on Sign In, then tap Create Account. Here, choose the purpose of your account for personal use, for my child, or for work or business. Next, enter your first name. The last name is optional, so you can skip it if you want. Then click Next. Now, enter your basic information, such as your date of birth and gender. After that, click Next. Next, you need to create your email address. You can choose one of the suggested addresses or create your own by clicking here. Once done, click Next. Now, create a strong password. Re-enter the same password to confirm it. Then click Next. For verification, you need to enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Select your country and enter your phone number here. Then click Next. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone via SMS and click Next. To add a recovery email, you can enter another email address here. If you don't want to, you can click Skip. Then click Next. Finally, review the terms and privacy, click I agree, and you're done. So that's how you create a Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.